ever made decorative rainbows? They can be fun to make using colorful construction paper or other craft supplies. But do you know you can make a simple one with milk, liquid soap, and food coloring? How the rainbow is created by this mixture might surprise you. In this science activity, you will make your own milk rainbow and can explore how liquid soap and surface tension is involved in its creation. Now let's do our experiment. So, what did you observe? You had observed that when you touched the plain cotton swab to the milk, you had not seen any effect. But when you touched the soap covered end to the milk, you have seen the food coloring quickly move away from the cotton swab. Now, why does this happen? So, here is your answer. Detergent such as liquid dish soap is mostly surfactants. These can lower the surface tension of water and molecules of fat. Now, you must be thinking, what is surface tension? So, don't get worried. Surface tension is the property of the surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force due to the cohesive nature of the water molecules. I hope you understood what is surface tension. Surfactants have a hydrophobic part and a hydrophilic part. The hydrophobic part interacts with the fat molecules and the hydrophilic part wants to interact with water. Because of this, when a cotton swab with soap touched the milk, the soap separated the fat from the water in the milk, dissolving the fat. This also decreases the milk surface tension around it, and the higher surface tension surrounding this area pull the milk towards it. I hope you get to know your answer and understood what is surface tension. Thank you.